Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a truck accident lawyer. I'm based out of Phoenix, Arizona, but I handle truck accidents throughout the nation. And I want to talk to you specifically today about unsafe loads in semi-trucks. So these 18-wheelers are extremely heavy, thousands of pounds vehicles that are traveling down the road, and they often have big loads behind them on their trailer. These loads can often cause issues if they're not safely tied down or secured in the back of them. And we see a lot of accidents in our law firm of trucks that have been loaded either with too much weight or have not been secured properly. And there's actually a lot of federal rules and regulations that are kind of guidelines and principles of what these trucking companies must train their drivers and the corporation to do to make sure that when they're loading up the truck, that it is absolutely safe for the others around them on the road. If there is a semi-accident and the load is either too heavy or it caused an issue where something fell off the truck, or if there was a malfunction in one of the chains or something that tied it down, these are cases that become very complex because there could be a product liability case there where we have to go over the manufacturer of the product. There could be a training issue where we actually have to look into the corporation and the way that they were training their employees. There could be driver error, and there could be other things that we want to actually get to the scene to investigate, look at the physical evidence. And so when we get to a scene, I have an investigator with me, and I'm looking at the scene, I'm reviewing reports, I'm taking photographs, and then we're taking that information back and figuring out what claims that we might have based on the information we've gathered from the scene. Again, these trucks are extremely dangerous if they're unloaded too much. If their gross vehicle weight ratio is not correct, it can cause all sorts of knifing issues with the trailer that can be dangerous to people besides them. It can cause very serious accidents. So if you have a scenario where you think there could be an unsafe load issue, please give us a call so we can come out there and anywhere you're at and make sure that we're taking a good look at how this occurred. You can reach us here at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.